What's up, KA gang? It's your girl Cal.
And it's your girl Achaylle.
And today we're back with another video. And today we're trying out British candy and
also vanilla slime.
Okay, the first thing we're trying out is sticks. It's kind of like Takis,
but they're not Takis.
They're sticks.
I'll show you how they look. That's what they look like. Little sticks.
Very small.
And we'll also be trying out these.
These
are really good.
They taste like
Takis, but they're not Takis.
They're also like just sticks.
I give like an 8. I give like an 8 out of 10.
I'm not out of 10.
I give it 8 out of 10. Next, we'll be trying these cookies and cream bites. That's the box. Here are the cookies and cream bites.
They come in packages.
Yeah. They're very, very small. That's why they call cookies and cream bites. Alright.
This is very okay. These they taste like ice cream. We just rub them raw and freeze. And today, what I give mine a 5 out of 10.
I'll give that candy there. I give it a 6 out of 10.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna eat some more of these.
That's what I'm in love with those, y'all. They're good. And also, if you guys have ever tried plain Fritos before, comment down in the video. Comment down below.
Watch this, guys.
That is so cool.
You know right.
Alright, so now we're going to try with that one. I'm going to lower the video. What is it? Think it's low enough?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to split the slime in half. There you get all of it out.
Oh, snap. This is very cold.
It's cold, y'all. Because we had it in the refrigerator from our last video. It messed up. So we had to stick it in the freezer for a minute.
This is very cold. Jesus.
Okay.
If y'all could feel this right now, it'll be very cold.
Exactly.
Just be playing with it for you guys, so the video can be long. I don't want it to be this short.
That's it. We don't want the video to be long. We don't want to hold you guys for too long.
If you ever tried ramen noodles, comment below. They are very
You guys, if you have ever tried ramen noodles in the microwave, you need to try it. Or stove. Comment down below. But really, you guys need to try ramen noodles in the microwave.
Yeah.
Put it on 6 minutes. Put it on 6 minutes. Put it on 6 minutes and stop it in 17 seconds. Bro, it's gonna be the noodles. They gonna be so good. I'm telling y'all. It's gonna be so good. Yes, guys, she's so good. I'm gonna score this one.
Okay, because I don't need to mess up.
That's right. To mess up again. I'm gonna score.
Okay, this is the water container.
So I'm gonna mix with these scissors so that it won't get on me.
I'm done, guys.
I'm done with mine also. Ooh wee. Alright. Wait. Make sure you guys check in like every single day with us, because we will be posting videos from now till
we get 1 million followers, and we'll keep going on.
Exactly, guys. Could have seen on it too. But anyways,
Okay.
guys, make sure we get this video to 10,000 likes.
Okay. Make sure you
And make sure everyone comment down below, subscribe, and
turn
like
on
this
that
video. Turn on the notification bell
so you all
right
be
now.
notified.
Comment
Comment below
with all of our videos
to see what you want us to do next, and then what else?
Make sure to tune in with us.
See you later. See you later, KA gang.